In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list items on Steam Market. Whether you're clearing out your inventory or converting drops into wallet funds, we'll walk through every screen so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Steam on the desktop client or in a web browser. Items must be marked marketable to be listed. Untradeable or temporarily locked items won't appear. Having SteamGuard Mobile Authenticator enabled speeds up approvals for new listings. Without it, listings can be delayed. Also note that Steam listing fees that are shown before you confirm and proceeds go to your Steam wallet, not to cash. On the top navigation bar, move your mouse over Community. A small menu drops down. Don't click yet. Just hover so the shortcuts appear. If you're in the client and can't see the top bar, maximize the window or switch to the Store, Libraries, or Community view so the menu is visible. From that menu, click Market. This opens the Steam Community Market homepage. Here you can see your current wallet balance, recent activity, and a search bar. Prices are displayed in your local currency, and you'll also see the fee breakdown on listings you create. Keep this page open. Everything we need to list an item is here. Look for the Sell an Item button near the top or right side of the page and click it. This brings up your inventory picker. You can switch between games using the tabs to find the correct collection: Counter-Strike, Dota, Steam, or others. The grid shows items that qualify for the market. Grayed out entries aren't marketable and can't be listed. Click the specific item you want to sell. A detail panel appears with its name, description, and a price history chart if it's a common commodity. Review the current lowest listing and recent sale prices to choose a competitive amount. Steam lets you enter either the amount you want to receive or the total the buyer will pay. It will calculate the other side automatically, including fees, so double check the numbers. When you're satisfied with the price, click Sell to submit the listing. You may be asked to accept the terms, and if you use the SteamGuard mobile app, to confirm the listing there before it goes live. Once confirmed, your item appears under Active Listings on the Market page, where you can monitor, edit the price, or cancel if needed. When it sells, the proceeds are instantly added to your Steam wallet and the item is removed from your inventory. That's all there is to it. Simple, clear, and secure.